have learned midpoint theorem. What is midpoint theorem? How to prove it? And today you are going to learn about its converse midpoint theorem. That is converse of midpoint theorem. The midpoint theorem is the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and a half of third side already you have learnt, and its converse you are going to learn today. What is the converse of midpoint theorem? The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. So here ABC is a triangle. E is the midpoint of AB. So the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, here L is drawn through E, parallel to another side. So this line is parallel to BC, bisects the third side. This line bisects AC we have to prove. That means what is given here is, ABC is a triangle, E is the midpoint of AB, and a line L is drawn through E, intersects AC at F. That is what is given and shown in the figure. And you have to prove that AF is equal to FC, and also it is given that ABC is a triangle. Let me write here, L is parallel to BC is also given. Line L is parallel to BC. Actually that can be written here. E is the midpoint of AB. Line L is drawn through E, intersects AC at F. Okay? And you write here L is parallel to BC. Okay? And what you have to prove is AF is equal to FC. That means, you see the figure of your theorem, a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle and parallel to another side bisects the third side. That means this line L is bisects AC we have to prove. That means AF equal to FC we have to prove. For that, construction step is, you have to construct something. That what is that? We have to draw a line through C parallel to AB. Draw a line through C parallel to AB which intersects this line L at D. Okay? Draw a line parallel to AC. That means these two are parallel. Let me give two arrows. Okay? Let me name it as E. Draw CE parallel to BA, intersects L at D. That is what is your construction step. Now we have to prove that AF is equal to FC. Okay? How to prove it? So let us have proof. Before going to prove, let us see how we will be able to prove it. You see children, already these two are parallel given because line L is drawn parallel to BC given. Okay? And we have constructed BA is parallel to CE we have constructed. So what happens? ED is parallel to BC and EB is parallel to DC. So EBCD is a parallelogram. You know that if in a quadrilateral both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So EBCD is a parallelogram. If EBCD is a parallelogram, EB is equal to DC. But we know that AE is equal to EB. So AE is equal to DC. Okay. Now we can make triangle AEF or AFE and triangle CFD similar or congruent. Once we are able to show them they are congruent, by CPCTC we can show that AF equal to FC. Okay? So proof step. Let us write. ED is parallel to BC and EB is parallel to DC. Therefore, EBCD is a parallelogram. And we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. That implies EB is equal to CD. But AE is equal to EB. Okay, therefore AE is equal to CD. I hope this is clear to you. Now let us make these two triangles congruent. In triangle AEF and triangle CDF, just now we got AE is equal to CD we got. Okay, and as these two triangles the EA or these two lines are parallel, these two are interior alternate angles, that is angle EAF is equal to angle FCD because they are interior alternate angles. Okay, and also these two are vertically opposite angles, that is angle AFE is equal to angle CFD because they are vertically opposite angles. So under AAS condition, these two triangles are congruent. Let me do here. Okay. Therefore, triangle AEF is congruent to triangle CDF under AAS condition. Once they are congruent by CPCTC, AF equal to FC. Therefore, AF is equal to FC, that is by CPCTC. So that is what we have to prove. That is proved. Okay. This is AAS condition we can write. Let me write clearly. Okay. So midpoint theorem is if E and F are midpoints of two sides of a triangle, it is parallel to third side and it is half of third side. That is midpoint theorem. And converse of midpoint theorem, which one we have learned now itself, that is a line drawn from the midpoint through the midpoint of one side of triangle parallel to other side bisects the third side. That is your converse of midpoint theorem. I hope this is clear to you. In the next video, next class, you are going to learn about intercept theorem or equal intercepts theorem you are going to learn. Okay, thank you.